So you've been asked to find the f of g of 1. Just as a reminder, this is written as the same as f of g of 1. So what that means is the inside function is g, and we're going to start with an x into that inside function. So g of 1 equals 3 times 1 minus 1, or 2. That 2 is now going to be plugged into f as the outside function. So f of 2 equals 2 times x, and now we're plugging in that 2 squared. So our order of operations, we'll square the 2 first and get 4. Then we'll multiply times 2 and get 8. The answer is D.